Build your knowledge foundation, shape the values of the society, grind away for the improvement of the community. Hi, I'm teacher Christine. Welcome to Puerto Princesa during TV Carpentry. In today's episode, we will talk about set or fixed formworks components or form panels. This is under the MEL to lay out formworks components or form panels with tolerance of positive or negative 3 mm for measurement, alignment, levelness, and plumb rust, with the objective to identify tools and materials for layouting formwork components or form panels. Before we start with our discussion, let us first test your prior knowledge. Number 1. What tool is used for marking straight line on a long piece of stock? A. Chalk line, B. Crosscut saw, C. Steel square, D. Tri-square. The answer is A. Chalk line. Number 2. What tool is used to drive and pull out nails? A. Ballpen hammer, B. Claw hammer, C. Pencil, D. Pull-push rule. The answer is B. Claw hammer. Number 3. What is a cone-shaped metal suspended in a string used to check and obtain a vertical line? A. Level bar, B. Plastic hose, C. Plumb bob, D. Steel square. The answer is C. Plumb bob. Number 4. What is the tool used to test the horizontal levelness of the surface of a material? A. Nylon string, B. Plumb bob, C. Spirit level or level bar, D. Steel square. The answer is C. Spirit level or level bar. Number 5. What is used to indicate the sides of a building? A. Nylon string, B. Plumb bob, C. Spirit level or level bar, D. Steel square. The answer is A. Nylon string. Are you ready? Let us first do the activity. Wayne is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. He just started his own construction business. He first initiates a seminar or lecture to prepare his workers to know and identify tools and materials used in layout formwork component or form panels. Would you like to be part of it? Let us start with classifying the tools according to its function and uses. Familiarity with all the tools and materials used in carpentry is a necessity. We need to know the function of various tools to properly use them. In addition, proper care and good maintenance lead to efficiency of work, quality of speed, and better output. The following are the tools and materials used in layouting formwork component or form panels. First, claw hammer. It is used for driving and pulling out nails. Water hose level, used to determine the horizontal levelness of the batter board. Spirit level is used to test the horizontal levelness of the surface of a material. Next is plumb bob. It is a cone-shaped metal suspended by string and used to check the verticalness of the post or column and others. Fifth is nylon string, used to indicate the sides of the building. Pull-push rule, used for laying out the measurement. This is a flexible strip of metal provided with a scale of English and the metric system of measurement. Seventh tool is tri-square. It is used to check the flatness and squareness of a small piece of stock or lumber. Nails. Nails are made of metal that is used for fastening wood. Next is lumber. It is a sawn timber. Plywood, a thin cross-laminated sheet of wood. Crosscut saw, used to cut the wood across the grain. Rip saw, used to cut along grain and wood. Steel square is a highly accurate tool used to test the squareness of a particular object. And finally, pencil. It is used to mark cutting lines. The following are the classification of each tool and material. Arrange the jumbled letters to identify the name of the tool or material on a picture. Write your answers on your paper. The answer for number 1 is claw hammer. Number 2, rip saw. Number 3, plywood. Number 4, marking gauge. And for number 5, pull-push rule. Were you able to answer the activity correctly? Let us answer more. Match the tool from column A to its uses and/or functions in column B. Write the letter of your answers on your paper. Column A. Number 1, claw hammer. Number 2, plumb bob. Number 3, pull-push rule. Number 4, spirit level. And number 5, water hose. Column B. A. To check the verticalness of a post. B. Pulling out nails. C. Check the horizontal levelness of battering. D. To indicate the sides of a building. And E. Laying out of measurements. Number 1, claw hammer. The answer is B, for pulling out nails. Number 2, plumb bob. The answer is A. It is used to check the verticalness of a post. Number 3, pull-push rule. The answer is E. It is used for laying out of measurements. Number 4, spirit level. The answer is D. It is used to indicate the sides of a building. And number 5, water hose. The answer is C. It is used to check the horizontal levelness of battering. Now you know how to identify tools and materials for layouting formworks components or form panels. Number 1. What is one of the best and most accurate tools for guiding work in establishing horizontal level? A. Hose level. B. Plumb bob. C. Plumb level and spirit level. D. Tri-square. The answer is C. Plumb level and spirit level. Number 2. Which power tool is used in cutting boards and plywood? A. Portable circular saw. B. Portable router. C. Portable sander. D. Power grinder. The answer is A. Portable circular saw. Number 3. Which of the following is commonly used material in construction forms? A. GI sheet. B. Plyboard. C. Plywood. D. TNG. The answer is C. Plywood. Number 4. Which of the following is a tooth-cutting tool used to cut wood across the grain? A. Crosscut saw. B. Hack saw. C. Keyhole saw. D. Rip saw. The answer is A, crosscut saw. And number 5, which is accurately used to test the squareness of smaller objects? A, crowbar, B, spirit level, C, steel square, D, tri-square. The answer is D, tri-square. How did you fare? I hope you did well. For homework to be passed to your teacher, draw the tools and materials discussed in our lesson. Your teacher will provide a rubric for you. I hope you were able to grasp our lesson for today. Remember to strengthen your mind, demonstrate good values, and work hard for the improvement of the community. Again, this is Teacher Christine. Goodbye!